We're at 3399 Greenbriar Circle, unit number 1. This is a front end unit, but we do have our own patio space that is not on the street. We're walking into the front door here. Directly in front of us, we have a coat closet, and then to the left, we have our living area. Tile flooring throughout most of the unit, so that's great for easy cleaning. We have our full kitchen set with appliances, and we have a good sized pantry as well. Here is that living space again. We do have a sliding glass door to our enclosed patio space. The patio does have a storage closet on the back end of it, so we'll show you that. Here's that space. Coming back in now, we'll go closer to the kitchen. So here's that kitchen space. Now we'll go down a short hallway here. Our first left is going to be our bathroom. This bathroom has a tub shower combo, good sized vanity and mirror. Coming back out, our next stop is our first bedroom. This bedroom has laminate flooring. It is the only room that has laminate flooring, but it gives it a very nice natural feel. This bedroom is on the front side of the home. Good sized closet space and good lighting from that window as well. Coming back out, you can see we have our laundry connections here in this closet. And then here we have our second bedroom. This is again on the front side of the home. This is the corner end of the building. Good sized closet and good lighting from this window as well. Heading back out into the living area, we're passing our laundry room, passing our bathroom, and then here we are back in our living space. Again, this is 3399 Greenbriar Circle, unit number 1, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.